Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you guys how to do smoke nail art. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You're going to start by painting your nails chrome pink. Now you're going to get a hard surface and paint your white polish on it. Doesn't matter how you paint it on there. Now take your stamper, make sure you smear it around to get that smoky effect and press it on your nail. Now that you put your polish on there, get the stamper, make sure you smear it around real good and then press it on your nail. You will continue to do this on the rest of your nails until you get it how you like it. Check out the cards at the top of the video and the videos on the end screen. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.